Yeah, we are having a video revolution. And now anyone can reach into their pocket, pull out a smartphone, and in seconds create a video about their product or service. Unfortunately, a lot of well-meaning people have also put videos on the web that have poor quality. And instead of getting people to listen or to buy their products, they end up damaging their credibility. So that's why I created Smartphone Video Production Academy. We teach entrepreneurs, startups, as well as Fortune 500 companies how to create and edit professional quality video all on a smartphone. And at the end of our 3-hour hands-on training, you'll know all the tools, techniques, apps, equipment to make your own video, to get people engaged and excited about your message. If there's one thing we know about video, it's the next best thing to getting yourself in front of another human being. And that's why video works.